guys, you're here for the tech world. Today we have a repair video. Now this video, I admit, I probably won't do much talking, and this will probably run over the 10-minute limit most likely. So either this will run over 10 minutes, and I will probably have to break it into parts, or I'll speed the video up, do a lot of editing, and you probably won't hear a lot of talking because, again, the video might be speeded up. I got my setup here on my monitor set up. I don't know if you guys see that. I have my guide right here for one video guide, another Techzilla guide, and even on the other monitor I have the PDF guide which came with my set I bought for repairing the iPhone on repairing the screen. Story behind it, I was at a skate park maybe last week. It dropped, fell off a bleacher, and it cracked. It wasn't even that high of a drop. It was only in a rubber case, so it didn't do much to protect it. As you see there, I'm really afraid just because I'm hoping that you can see the inside of the phone, but there's two layers here. I only broke the LCD glass, so I ordered a new LCD plus digitizer. So in this video, we're just going to be doing the repair. I thought it'd be fun to film it. Again, not a lot of, I might lay this over with some music, royalty-free music or something, but just because I'm going to have to watching the videos in the background, stuff like that, so just in case I need something to reference to. So, nonetheless, let's begin the repair, and real quick, I'm just going to show you. I bought two screens due to my friend has a broken screen, and after I fix mine, I'm going to fix his as well. So, here's the screen, pulling it out here, sliding it out is the adhesive, and there's some to replace it, and your home button will go there, obviously. So with that, guys, yeah, here's your metal spudgers for the tools, and I actually just dropped one, so I might want to pick that up. But anyways, these are just to disconnect cables. I think they're all about the same size, yeah, just about. So I already have one of those, but and some other tools for replacing the phone. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and get into the repair. Alright, so again, I might have to narrate this video depending on the time limit, but let's see how it goes. Alright, wish me luck, everybody. Here we go. So first, I know you wanted to remove these screws, the two double screws right here, so go ahead and start working on those. Alright, so one of those is out. This is right under the dock if you guys have an iPhone 3G or 3GS. This one is the 3G model. And again, it costs, cost-wise, you can buy a whole new phone. Or, for my case, I only spent about $15 on a new, screen. With this, now these screws, I'm going to put them over here on that. That's why I have this white thing so I can visibly see. Now I'm going to take the metal spudger, and what I want to do here is kind of just pry. I get it right in between that little silver part. And kind of pry upwards. And actually, you do want to try putting the suction tape on, suction cup. What I'm going to do also is I'm actually going to tape over. Tip I was recommended is to actually tape over the screen for the glass if you have really a lot of broken shards, just because you don't obviously want those all falling out once you remove the screen, depending on your case of how broken and damaged it is. But in my case, I'm going to be doing this, so I'm just going to do some little tape over action. Oh, wow, I hit the camera there, but simple tape over action over the screen, and also kind of cut off that excess that we don't need. So I'm going to cut off that, set that aside, and with that, I believe you can just kind of pull up gently there, and already that cable number 1 is already disconnected from its socket, so it's hoping I didn't break it there. Oh boy, saw something fall off. I really hope nothing broke off there. Seriously hope nothing broke off there. But, I'm afraid something just broke off right there. Uh-oh, not good. Alright, so we're gonna see if that reattaches nicely. Uh-oh, now one doesn't want to sit back down. That's great. This could have been the adhesive. Oh.